So let's go ahead and put fraction is equal to a fraction. Because when I cross multiply, we circle the diagonals. We're going to put 25 and A together and 45 and B together. And we're looking for a ratio from A to B. Because I want A on top, I'm going to put A here and 25 here. And then B here and 45 there. So then when I go ahead and simplify this, since we can use a calculator, let's get them out. You should already have it. So we have 45 over 25. And we go to math. Ooh. Enter. Gives me 9/5. Not 5/9. So that will be our best answer. Okay, if you're good on that, give me a thumbs up so we can move on. Okay? The next one I haven't done is number 16. Okay, Austin, let's read number 16.
A person 5 feet tall standing 12 feet away from the lamppost casts an 8-foot shadow. The same person moves 3 feet further from the lamppost. He will cast a shadow how long?
Okay, so the part that's not changing, is the person's height changing?
No.
So that's not going to be part of the similarity. So a person standing 15 feet away. So I'm going to say 15 right here. From the lamppost, cast a shadow of 8 foot.
No.
Okay, and then it says the person moves 3 feet further. What is 3 feet more than 15? 18. And we're hoping that shadow is going to be larger. That's going to be my x. So we have 8 over 15 is equal to x over 18. We are going to cross multiply using our calculator. 8 times 18 divided by 15. And that's going to give us 9.6. But it says, did it say round anywhere? No? Is it the hundreds on this one? When one person moves further. Okay, let's just leave us 9.6. Boom. All right. Let's move on to the back. On the very back. And this one has to do with today's lesson, the geometric mean. Now, geometric mean basically means when you have a fraction equal to a fraction, the diagonals are the exact same. It could be a letter, it could be a number. Yes? Okay? So it says, find the geometric mean. So we do not know the geometric mean. So fraction is equal to a fraction. I'm going to put x this way. Could I have chosen to put the x on the other side if I want it?
Yeah.
Because in the end, when I cross multiply, it's going to be on one side. Between 6 and 8. Again, doesn't matter where you put 6 and 8, because in the end, we are going to multiply. So when I cross multiply, we get x squared is equal to, is that 48?
Yeah.
And I think I do want simplified radical form. So let's square root. Give me two clever numbers.
12 and 4.
12 and 4, okay? And then for 12, I think about 4 and 3. And I'm going to stop right there and say I have a pair. So we know our x is equal to 4 radical 3, but that's not complete. What am I missing?
Plus or minus.
Plus or minus. I did not give you a picture, so it must be plus or minus. And that only happens when you square root. Okay, 19, pretty much the same thing, right? We're looking for the geometric mean. Between 8 and 10. So we have x squared is equal to 80. And I still want the simplified radical form. What two clever numbers?
20 and 24.
20 and 4. And then for 20, I think I want to say radical 4 and radical 5. So then I have that 4. So we have x equals 4 radical 5. And again, what are we missing?
Plus or minus.
Plus or minus, very good. Okay, we're on the last one. On the last one, I drew all over, so I'm going to redraw this image. You have to draw the second image anyway, so might as well draw with me. So here I have a right triangle cut by its altitude. And I have A, there's D, there's C, and there's B. Let's see what given information we have here. There you go. It's given that we have BC is 8 and AB is 18, and we're looking for BD. Now, from the three triangles, the small one, the middle one, and the large one, which one am I not going to use because only one part is given? The big one. The big one only has a hypotenuse given, so I don't care about that one. So let's write short, long leg, and hypotenuse. In this small one, 8 is my short, x is my long. In the middle one, this time my x is my short, and 18 is my long. And as long as I have a box, that is our proportion. So we have 8 over x is equal to x over 18. And do I see a geometric mean? Always, always. So we have x squared, 8 times 18, 144. That's kind of like the notes, right? So when I square root this, that's going to give me 12. Why not plus or minus 12? We have a picture.